Kong Suntex has been dedicated to serving in the electronics industry since 2010. We distribute and sell world-renowned brand electronic connectors, MOLEX, JST, CAT. Our products are used in home appliance, telecommunication equipment, computers, medical equipment, automotive wiring harness, etc. Suntex has grown into a professional team of 65 employees, with annual sales reaching CNY 150 million, and has established solid business relationships with 23 countries and regions. We provide high-quality products with an experienced sales and